The moment you lay eyes on the Weiss Standard Issue Field Watch, you know this isn't just another timepiece. This is a statement. A statement of precision, taste, and the kind of effortless style that turns heads without even trying. If you appreciate fine craftsmanship and love discovering pieces that set you apart, make sure you like this video, subscribe to Tick vs. Talk, and check the description for links, because this watch might just be the upgrade your wrist has been waiting for. From the very first glance, the Weiss Standard Issue Field Watch radiates confidence. The design is bold yet minimal, with a brushed stainless steel case that feels solid, balanced, and undeniably premium. Every curve and edge has been meticulously crafted, giving it a clean, refined silhouette that stands out without ever being flashy. The dial is a masterpiece of legibility. Crisp numerals, precision-cut hands, and perfect symmetry that make reading the time a pleasure. Add to that a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating, and you've got a watch that looks flawless in any light, from office fluorescence to golden hour sunlight. But a great watch isn't just about how it looks, it's about how it feels and performs. The Weiss Standard Issue Field Watch delivers a tactile experience that's nothing short of satisfying. The moment you wind the crown or set the time, you feel the smooth mechanical precision working beneath your fingertips. Inside beats a high-quality movement, Swiss or American depending on your configuration, offering reliable, accurate timekeeping with the kind of sweeping seconds hand that watch enthusiasts crave. And thanks to the exhibition case bag, you can actually watch the gears and balance wheel in motion. A small but mesmerizing detail that never gets old. Exclusivity is part of what makes this watch so compelling. The Weiss Standard Issue Field Watch is produced in small, carefully controlled batches, ensuring that every piece meets the highest standards. That also means you won't see it on every wrist in the room. It's a piece for those who value rarity and individuality. In a world where mass production dominates, this level of hand assembly and attention to detail is a luxury in itself. Then there's the price, which we have to talk about because it's part of the wow factor. This isn't an impulse buy. This is a thoughtful investment in something built to last. You're paying for premium materials, expert craftsmanship, and the kind of mechanical artistry that makes this watch an heirloom piece. And that's the beauty of it. This isn't just a watch you wear for a season. It's one you'll wear for years, maybe even passed down. So who is this watch perfect for? The answer is simple. Anyone who understands that luxury isn't about being loud, it's about being intentional. It's ideal for collectors who appreciate in-house assembly and authenticity, professionals who want a piece that elevates their everyday look, and style-forward trendsetters who know the power of subtle statement pieces. The Weiss Standard Issue Field Watch is versatile, rugged enough for an adventurous weekend outdoors, yet refined enough to pair with a sharp suit or dress shirt. The lifestyle impact can't be overstated. When you put on the Weiss Standard Issue Field Watch, you're not just accessorizing. You're telling the world you care about precision, about heritage, about doing things right. It gives you a sense of quiet confidence, the kind that doesn't need to shout to be noticed. Picture yourself at a dinner party or a networking event, and someone catches a glimpse of your wrist. It becomes an instant conversation starter, a subtle nod to your taste and attention to detail. Even the straps deserve a moment of appreciation. Whether you opt for a premium Horween leather strap that will age beautifully and tell its own story over time, or a durable canvas option for a rugged, field-ready vibe, every strap feels purpose-built and thoughtfully finished. Switching them out completely changes the mood of the watch, giving you versatility for every occasion. From a technical standpoint, the Weiss Standard Issue Field Watch is built to handle real life. Its water resistance makes it a true daily companion, ready for anything from unexpected rain to weekend getaways near the water. The lume is bright, evenly applied, and built for excellent nighttime readability. So whether you're catching a late-night flight or simply checking the time in a dark theater, you can count on it. This is the kind of watch that grows with you. It doesn't just sit on your wrist, it becomes part of your daily rhythm, a reminder to slow down and appreciate the details. Every glance at that sweeping second hand reminds you that time is valuable and that you've chosen to measure it with something truly exceptional. Which brings us back to why this watch is special. The Weiss Standard Issue Field Watch is more than just an accessory. It's a symbol of taste, achievement, and intention. It represents a decision to invest in quality, to step away from disposable culture, and to wear something that actually means something. And if you ask us, that's the best kind of luxury there is. If you're ready to experience this for yourself, check out the links in the description to explore the different configurations and find the one that speaks to you. And if you enjoyed this look at the Weiss Standard Issue Field Watch, make sure you hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a deep dive into the world's most extraordinary timepieces. At Tick vs. Talk, we believe time is the ultimate luxury, and this watch is proof that it deserves to be celebrated with style.